Fit King Air Compression Leg Massager. So this is excellent for massaging your feet and calves. It's got 4 airbags inside of it that will stimulate kind of kneading and stroking of tissues for muscle relief or aches or any kind of pains that you might have within there. So super easy to set up. You just want to kind of plug those leg pieces into the remote that we see here, then place it on. You can Velcro it up to size it up to your legs, but very easy to kind of control that itself. It's just a power button. Then you choose A or B or the intensity level, and you get that nice rotating massage techniques. There's about 10 to choose from, so you can get that exact massage technique that works well for you. Works for a calf size up to about 28.5 inches, and it does have 2 size extenders that come with it. Really great for relaxing at home. Check it out.